Hello, my name is Lorena Saavedra and I'm doing my presentation on malaria. A few facts about malaria. There are 4 human forms. It is found in more than 100 countries. It is endemic to warmer geographic areas such as Central and South America, Africa, India, Southeast Asia, the Middle East, and Oceania. A few more facts about malaria. The average global direct economic costs acquired by malaria are estimated to be $12 billion annually. The worldwide annual death toll is more than 1 million people, an estimated 300 to 500 million cases each year. Plasmodium is the causative agent. It is transmitted by mosquitoes that carry a unicellular parasite known as Plasmodium. The principal vector are Anopheles mosquitoes. The transmission cycle consists of various stages. The first stage involves the bite of an infected mosquito of the Anopheles type. Malaria parasite is transferred to the human host when the mosquito takes a blood meal. The organism multiplies in the human host's liver and red blood cells, later develops into a form that can be transmitted from the infected person to another host after the mosquito feeds on the infected host. Another cycle is a sporogenic cycle, where oocysts are produced that can be transmitted to a human host, continuing the life cycle of malaria. Symptoms occur approximately 9 to 14 days after the bite of an infected mosquito. It may also be transmitted by contaminated syringes or through blood transfusions. Some of the symptoms of the disease include occurrence of fever and flu-like symptoms such as headache, muscle ache, fatigue, and shaking chills. And in some instances, there could be vomiting and diarrhea. Some other symptoms include jaundice, which is due to anemia caused by the loss of red blood cells. There's also kidney failure, seizures, mental confusion, coma, and ultimately death. And these may be caused by the most deadly type of malaria. Some local issues in the United States. There was an endemic until the end of the 1940s. Also in 1947, they started spraying homes with DDT for prevention, and in 1949, it was declared that malaria was under control in the United States. To prevent malaria in the mid-20th century, they started spraying DDT in all homes. They also started administering synthetic anti-malaria drugs, and these were effective. In 1955, the World Health Organization started spraying, and they also used drug treatment and surveillance, and these were successful in some countries. Other prevention methods including bed nets, which had insecticides. There was also removal of standing water and filling and draining of swamps. And DDT started becoming a problem because it was harmful to bird species and other species of wildlife, and it was opposed by many countries, especially in the United States. The only type of treatment for malaria were anti-malaria synthetic drugs, and these were used to treat symptoms.